Well, the engine, I think. It's a fantastic motor. It like intended as a naked street bike, something that's going to spend more time in urban areas and then of course some weekend rides in the hills. It's got a fantastic bottom end and mid-range grunt, so the refinement, the power delivery, I think are my absolute favorites.
The balance of the bike in terms of the power, chassis and even the ride position.
What really stood out for me was the motor. It's 64 Newton meters of torque, really accessible. All through the rev range. The big nice hit of power up top, 81 horses up top at about 10,000 RPM. Also, the engine, it doesn't feel like it's too strained, so that's really a high point there. And well, the suspension and brakes are fantastic. This is an entry-level motorcycle, and suspension and brakes are definitely a cut above some of the other entry-level motorcycles in the market.
Has enough torque to lift the front wheel in the air and have a lot of fun. And yeah, I look forward to riding it some more and get to understand it even better. But so far up here in the mountains, it's been a lot of fun.
Things that I like are three important things, or the things that I like the most is the handling, of course, and is the riding posture, far more friendly, and I like the fact that Triumph have not compromised. Like, I like the suspension, the brake setup, the riding modes, the TFT console, the entire package as a whole screams value. So I feel you got to give it to Triumph for going the extra mile in trying to offer an absolute cracker, firecracker of a value for money package with the Trident 660.
I love the way it looks. It looks small, but it's not a small bike. It gives you all the input you need in a big bike. It's a very good 3-cylinder 600cc bike, which is putting out a good amount of power, but at the same time it is putting the power in a linear way, and that's a very good thing for a new beginner who's coming into the motorcycle industry, or even people like me who are crazy about bikes and just need one more bike, one more addition into their garage. So it's a good machine altogether.
Things that I liked a lot, the tires, the suspension setup, the overall chassis flex, because it was tipping into corners so very well, and thus the 1400mm wheelbase helped a lot. Handlebar feedback, brilliant. Wind blast was a little bit more, but the overall riding posture and the comfort that was there, this motorcycle can actually do long distances at a comfortable pace.
The most I loved is lightweight, and it's aggressive, plus it's powerful, and it's smooth, and I just love the way it was, you know, I was able to ride it into the mountains. Like, I was so happy.
How nimble it is, like you can actually throw it around, and still it has the power to make you feel happy at each and every corner. So that's one thing that keeps you excited all throughout the ride. So it's not something you're just excited in few patches or something. That's one highlight that I have of it.
The best part about the Trident, I feel, is that it looks clean and it also rides clean.
TFT display is like beautiful.